Students, this is Pratiksha Sawant and today we are going to see the introduction to C. So now let's start. C is a general purpose language developed by the Denis Ritchie in the year of 1972. It is a structured programming language, which means programs are divided into smaller parts using functions. So C is a widely used because it is simple, fast and powerful. Many model programming languages are based on the C. So C language has many important features. It is portable language, which means same program can run on different machines. It supports for function, pointers and structure program. Because of these features, C is used in a system software, embedded system and application development. Steps in learning C. So steps in learning C language are alphabets, words, sentences and paragraphs. Steps in learning C: alphabets, digits, special symbols, then constant, variables, keyword, then instruction and the last one, that is a program. So program definition is: a program is a set of instructions written in a programming language that tells the computer how to perform a specific task. So there are three programming language types. The first one, that is a low level language, second, that is a middle level language, and third, that is a high level language. Main features: step by step approach. In this particular feature, program executes in a sequence. Second, procedure or function. In this feature, code is divided into smaller blocks for reusability. Third, variables. In this feature, used to store and manipulate data. Fourth, control structure. In this feature, we use the loops, conditional, if, switch, for and while. Last one, that is a top-down design. In this feature, start from the main task, break into the subtask. Thank you, students. That's it for now.